Hi there, so today I'm just going to be showing you, I'm going to feature a liquid lipstick, and we've got this one here in the color Superior. So I'm just going to show you what this looks like on. I'm going to start out with some lip liner, and this is in the color Pouty. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and apply this lipstick. And the thing I love about this stuff is it will last all day. You can eat and drink and kiss your babies and go to the gym, and it'll still be there by the end of the day. So let's see what this one looks like. So this is the color. It's just a really nice, light, shimmery nude kinda. And it's not even a lip stain, but like I said, it's gonna last you all day. So that's what I love about these. And I hope you like this color, and I hope you enjoyed. So thanks for watching. See you next time.